Okay, you should see the truss system on here. It's beautiful. It's they ran the rafters from pocket to the top of the truss, pocket of the walls, top of a truss, an older truss design. It's under here, and they spanned rafters again, picked up another truss, and then one more truss right about here where this crown is, right about here, the roof. And then they pocket it over here again, the roof rafters. All right, what's the safety hazards here? Look at this, power line. It is live, power line laying on the roof here. Gets a little worse than that. Gets a little worse than that. So come over here, observe what they're doing. They're using a rope to hold the power lines. So let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. There's a rope. There is your house connection, your weather head. Everything is just hanging down right there from that structure, and from this one there's a rope holding it. So it's ×2, and that was the connection that held it in, insulated connector that held it against the wall. Some strain relief, but now there's no strain relief besides the neutral wire in here, and it's wrapped around the corner of the structure that's slate, so that could cut into the power line and then ground out, and then of course that would pop the transformer. We wouldn't want that. We've got the power company coming out of an emergency to address that. You can see it's just laying across the deck here. These people's deck, they come out, they walk onto it. Well, that's just shingles. Of course, the shingles are on a flat roof, which is 100% wrong to put shingles on a flat roof like that. That's flat. That's ridiculous. Maybe they put a bunch of rubber underneath there, and I have no idea why they use shingles. All right, but it's unprofessional. So there's the power line sitting on the roof. Got the fire company here, but we're waiting for the power company to do this. So even though, so this has to come down, but it can't come down until that power line secure, and it drapes across this structure. So it's going to be a hazard within, no matter what, it's still going to drape across the structure. So we got to figure out a way to get around this. Perhaps they'll daisy chain it from the corner to there, bring it out to there, and tie into the line here. But this structure needs access to it, and the right-of-way is being interfered with by this power line servicing two buildings on the opposite street. So the utilities are a problem here. These rafters are pretty nice. You know how much money, how much material costs now? Now he's cutting trees. Okay. Not getting along very well with that guy. He gets quite distracted, and I don't think this is his forte. The other one that's definitely his forte. The bald head guy. This is his forte. He loves his stuff. As he says, he gets rid of his anger doing this. So he says he's got a lot of anger. Which, okay, he can have anger. I even recognized it. So he loves doing this. Two-handed, cutting and prying. Good job, Omar. I'm sorry, he likes to be called Demo. So the first rafter I'd like to show you, joist truss system. It's right about here where I am. It's a pretty system. I got it on the hard hat on the camera. So I'll show you guys later. Hopefully the lighting will be good. Otherwise, I'll just show it to you once they get the roof peeled back to here. I'll get you a better shot of that. This is pretty dangerous, the top of this parapet, so that's pretty snug, but the top of the parapet went up here also. It was loose, so down it went onto this upper deck of the roof system. All right, just wanted to get you guys some content, show you what's going on. So it looked like that, where the parapet is crumbling. And someone was up here with a saw. They did some saw cutting. As you can see, here's curve cuts, and then curve cuts here. So Big saw. Big saw. They were up here overcutting and got into the bricks. Of course, that's all loose, so that needs to come down also. Okay, we got somebody by the equipment. I guess he works here. Yep, bringing us blades. What are you bringing us, blades?
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Did you bring a... Never mind. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Let me terminate the video. Bring the guy's blades. Okay. They actually gonna have some electric here in a moment. I got the electric turned on in this building. Just took a minute to figure it out. And I'll have them cutting it with the demo blade, just circular saw, and chopping down. But they have to bring a long extension cord, so blades weren't really needed. Extension cord was. Take care.